Hello guys, again welcome to our page. I hope you are already subscribed to our channel. So here we are going to start the next chapter number 9, algebraic expressions and identities, and in that we are going to consider today exercise number 9.1, and in that we have to consider the question number 3 and its sub questions. So today we are going to see the first sub question. So what is the question here? Add the following. So we had considered the different properties regarding algebraic expressions and their identities. So still we have to consider the identities, but here we have to consider add the expressions. Now already we had considered the types of expressions like monomial, binomial, trinomial, like this. So if single term is there, it is monomial. If two terms are there, binomial, and this way. Here we have to add the expressions AB minus BC, BC minus CA, and CA minus AB. So all these expressions are actually binomial, and in order to add these all expressions we have to consider a particular method, or we have to follow some steps. So what are the steps here? The given expressions should be written in a separate rows. You have to write it in a separate row. Second thing is that while writing these expressions in a separate row, we have to consider all the like terms, and those like terms should be one below another. Then we have to perform the addition. Then only we are able to perform the addition. So what is the basic step? We have to write each expression in each row, and like term should be one below another. So I'm going to write down first expression, which is AB minus BC. So it should be in first row. So first we are going to write down first expression. Now I'm going to write down the second expression, which is BC minus CA. Now if you observe these first two expressions, AB minus BC and BC minus CA, among these expressions BC, these are the two like terms. So they should be one below another, and remaining two terms are different from each other. So plus, I'm going to perform the addition. So plus sign will be there. BC will be written below of the minus BC because they are like terms, and as AB and CA, they are not like terms, so I'm going to write them differently. So they should not be written one below another. So if any term is absent, then you can leave blank space below of that term. So if you are not getting like terms, so remaining spaces will be kept blank. So do not write down anything. And in the same way, the last expression is CA minus AB. So CA having the like term in second expression, so I am going to write down that CA below the minus CA, and AB having the like term in first expression, so AB and minus AB, they are kept one below another. Now we are able to perform the addition. Okay, now here if we see plus into minus, that will become minus. Okay, so while performing addition, just remember you have to write down that variables as it is. So here in the first column, variables are AB, which are same variables. So we had wrote AB as it is. So what is the remainder now? From AB I had removed the AB, so 1 is remainder, and from minus AB I had removed the minus AB, so remainder is minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 into AB, that will be 0. So therefore their addition will be 0. Again same thing will happen with BC. I have to take BC as it is to the downside, and after removing BC from minus BC, minus 1 is remainder, and after removing BC from BC, 1 is remainder. So minus 1 plus 1 again 0. Okay, so 0 into BC again 0. So again second addition is also 0, and in the same way third addition will be there. I'm going to take CA as common factor, or that variable should be written as it is from the like terms. So take the numbers, remainders, minus 1 plus 1 again 0, 0 into CA again 0. So third addition is also 0. म्हणजे तुम्ही इथे ध्यानात ठेवा, लाईक टर्म्समध्ये जे व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत ते तुम्ही जसेच्या तसे खाली लिहून घ्यायचे आणि लाईक टर्म्स काढून टाकल्यानंतर म्हणजे त्या लाईक टर्म्समधून ते व्हेरिएबल काढून टाकल्यानंतर जे नंबर शिल्लक राहतील त्या नंबर्सची फक्त तुम्ही काय करायची ॲडिशन तिथे परफॉर्म करायची आणि ती ॲडिशन 0 आली तर तिथे व्हेरिएबलला मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर पण तुमचा आन्सर काय असेल 0 असेल. सो दस द सम ऑफ ऑल दीज एक्सप्रेशन्स इज गोइंग टू बी 0 विच इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड रिझल्ट. So this is the example number 1 from the question number 3. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you already liked, subscribed and shared our page. If you haven't done that, please like, subscribe and share our page and also press the bell icon so you will get updates in the future. So stay connected with us to see the next video of example number 2. So again, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.